Usually we upload videos of pigeons, but today we are going to watch something little different. Today we will show you fancy chickens because these fancy chickens come in different colors and style just like pigeons. So we believe you will like the video. Today we will mainly see some fancy chickens of the Brahma breed and know their characteristics and other information. This fancy chicken farm is built on the roof of the house. Along with the farm, there are various species of trees on this roof. This garden not only beautifies the roof environment but also creates a natural environment for the chickens on the farm. The chickens are often released outside the cage, and the chickens eat natural food from the garden according to their needs. This farm has several other breeds of chickens, including Brahma, Fawmi, and some Pakistani chicken breeds. Brahma chickens are dual-purpose breeds. They are very beautiful, large and hardy birds. They are stately birds with upright carriage and large head. They should almost appear to form a V when standing. They stand fairly tall, males more than the females. They have strong feet with feathers extending all the way down the middle toe. The plumage of Brahma chicken should be held more tightly. They have pecom and they can adapt themselves with all types of climates. They are winter hardy birds and do very well in areas with cold climate conditions. Brahma chickens appear in many different color varieties. Some most common and popular color varieties are buff, dark, light, white, patrice, blue, blue Colombian, gold and more. Roosters are larger in size than the hens. On an average, an adult Brahma cock weighs about 5.5 kg and a hen weighs about 4.5 kg. Brahma hens lay large light brown colored eggs. The eggs of Brahma chicken weigh approximately 55 to 60 grams. They are moderate layers producing between 150 to 200 eggs per year. Average lifespan of the Brahma chicken is typically between 5 to 8 years, although sometimes they can even live longer in proper care and management. Brahmas are very large, stately, docile birds who make good reliable bodies which can cover a large number of eggs due to their size. Although the hens lay larger eggs, but it's pretty small compared to their body size and weight. Brahma eggs also lay less eggs than other chicken breeds. The chicks grow quickly and they are cute. Brahma chickens are elegant birds with beautiful feathering. They prefer dry conditions. Because of their food feathering, they can develop mud balls or fecal balls on their toes. If this is not removed, the loss of nails or the tips of the toes may result. They will stay happily behind 2 or 3 feet fancy. Brahma chickens are slow maturing birds compared to other breeds. They are friendly with humans and are very easy to tame. They take a lot of space because of their large size. But they do not fly and you can let them to roam happily outside in the garden or pasture. Brahma hens usually start laying eggs after their 6 or 7 months of age and they continue laying throughout the winter. The profuse feathering makes them very good at withstanding cold winter weather. They are friendly and are tolerant towards other breeds, so you can keep them together with other breeds without any problem. Even the roosters will tolerate each other. Brahma chickens are docile, calm, easily handled and they make a very little noise. Brahma chickens is actually an Asiatic chicken breed. It is among the large chicken breeds which was developed in the United States from very large breeds imported from the Chinese port of Shanghai. That's it for today's video on fancy pigeon fare. I hope you enjoyed discovering these amazing pigeon varieties. If you love this content, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating pigeon videos. Let me know in the comments which breed was your favorite. See you in next video. Happy pigeon keeping.